say I want to express this function as a power series. This guy should make you think of geometric series, because with a geometric series, if you have something of this form, then this is the sum. And that means if you have something of this form, then it can be written out this way. The 1 plus x on the bottom is what makes me think of that, because that's like 1 minus negative x. But there's a catch, which is that there's something kind of complicated up here. But you know what? I don't care. What I'm going to do is rewrite the 1 plus x as 1 minus negative x. And that whole top complicated thing, I'm just going to be like, that's a. That's just all going to be a. Put a big circle around it, that's a. And my r is negative x. And that means that this is equal to the sum as n goes from 0 to infinity of a times r to the n power. Just like any geometric series. But here's my beef. I really want this simplified. It's kind of gauche to have this like x and then this like other x. I'd really rather there only be like one x with whatever coefficients. And so what's going to happen here is I'm going to write out a mess of terms. That's my strategy for making sense of this. I believe that this could also be done with straight up algebra with the sigma notation, but this just helps me make sense of it. So here's some terms. And when you distribute everything, what happens is you get 3 plus 2x minus 3x minus 2x squared plus 3x squared plus 2x cubed. So do you see this? Do you see how these guys are all going to combine in a nice way? And what happens is you get 3 minus x plus x squared minus x cubed plus x to the fourth. You get this like cutie little alternating series. I really want to write it with the sigma notation. So I'm going to be slick. I'm going to be sneaky. I'm going to write this 3 as a 2 plus 1. And that means I'm going to get 2 plus the sum from 0 to infinity of negative x to the n power. I have my I'm done box around both of these expressions. Why? This is totally correct. This is totally cool. You are well within your rights to write it out this way, but you may wish to write it this way, or you may be asked to write it this way for a specific purpose. They're both good.